Hi everybody, this video clip is meant to show you how to use your fog server and the features built in it to erase data from a hard drive. And it could be the hard drive of a laptop or a desktop, it doesn't matter. So the first thing we need to do again is follow standard process for running and activating the fog server. So I've already gone through the steps to make sure it's active and running. Then I set up the other laptop that I'm going to try and repair, or in this case, erase the hard drive. So I've already set it to boot to the network, and then I just get it to boot. Now while it's booting, I want to catch that white screen. And normally we would go to deploy image, but in this case, we're not going to deploy image. So arrow down when you see the white screen, and we're going to do a quick registration and inventory, then just push enter. Okay, and it's working on registering the system. So I get all the features, all the tag info, so I know exactly what system this is. When the registry is done, it's going to reboot, and it may ask me to do something else, so let's wait and see. Okay, it's going back to do another link up. Now I have a feeling that the registry is already finished because we did the quick registry. So at this point, the next step would be to go to the fog server. And now the registry is done, we can tell the fog server to perform a task to erase the hard drive on the client computer. So let's go to the fog server and we'll do that now. All right, so the fog server is up and running. Now the first thing we need to do is go to Google Chrome. I already have the switch connected, and again the server is already active, so the next step is to go into the server interface through Chrome and check the host, identify the host, and set a task specifically for the host. So when you go into your server, just start typing the word fog, F-O-G, and you'll see that there will be some previously stored links. Just go to the first one and then click enter. The username and password is already in, so just click login. And if you're not sure, and if they're not there, the username is fog and the password is just password. So push login. All right, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, there's a whole bunch of different features in the management system. Let's go to the host management because we just created that host. And we're going to list all the hosts. Okay, now I've got a whole bunch of hosts here. How do I know which one I just made? Well, I can hover over the question mark and it'll tell me the date. Okay, that one was built today, so this is the one that I just made. So I'm going to click on the host link and go over here to basic tasks. Then scroll down and go to advanced. Scroll all the way to the bottom. And let's do a full wipe. So we're setting the task for this host to do a full wipe of the hard drive. And we create the task. Now that the task is created, we can monitor the task completion here in task management. You can see the task is right here. Now I'm going to go back to the other computer, plug the power back in, and let's see how it reacts when we turn it on. Okay, so we're booting up. And again, we've set a task in the server to take the hard drive on this computer and basically shred it. So what that means is it's going to write over the data that's on the hard drive 4 times with random numbers and symbols. And by doing that, it scrubs all the data from the hard drive, making it perfectly clean and unreadable so that no one else will be able to access any of the data that was once on the hard drive. So it looks like it's working. It's trying to find out what's going on, and it might give us a 60-second warning. It'll say in 60 seconds, we're going to start to scrub or erase the data. Okay, it's starting up. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. So you have 60 seconds to turn off this computer to cancel. Right now it's going to be trying to destroy the content on the hard drive, which is exactly what we want it to do. So the task from the server that we installed after we did the registry of this computer that we're going to be scrubbing the hard drive is now being run on the computer, and the hard drive is going to be deleted. It's going to be written over 4 times automatically, and we can plug in as many computers as we want via the fog server through our gigabit switch. Okay, now it's going to start the disk wipe using shred. And it's going to start pass 1. So again, it'll do 4 passes. Each pass takes about 20 minutes. It depends, again, on the size of the amount of storage space that the hard drive has, but usually takes about 20 minutes a pass. So altogether, actually no, it's not 40 minutes a pass. Altogether, we're looking at about 2.5 hours to do a full 4-pass wipe of a hard drive. Again, free system, works simply, and once this one is running, we can plug in another computer and start wiping another hard drive at the same time. All right, hope this helps. Have fun.